Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen. This time I'm going to present a topic of market mechanism. It's pleasure to have the opportunity talking on social media this time. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Genta Riyadi Saputra and I'm from An-Nadwa Islamic Institute Kuala Tungkal, Sharia Economy 2A. Have you ever wondered why changes occur until the market becomes balanced? The market mechanism is the tendency to see prices to around the price until the market becomes balanced. Standard economic theory says that while institutional impact other than free markets may result in efficient and optimal allocation. In other words, if the market does not exist, the allocation of resources will not happen efficiently and optimally. In some ways, market mechanism might not work optimally on several natural resources. The allocation of goods and services in a community can be done through market mechanism and bureaucratic mechanism. Market mechanisms are believed to be mechanisms that can promote efficient use of resources. Market failures may also occur in the allocation of a number of goods and services. This could be due to the possession public property along with the external these kinds of goods and services. The market mechanism cannot function without the stance of government policies. The role of government is more important because market mechanism alone cannot solve all economic problems. The role and function of contracts is indispensable to the economy as controlling the mechanisms of the market even in the market economy, but in current cases, governments still have to intervene the hand to avoid economic choice. Market mechanism. Goodness, the market can provide the right information. One of those considerations must be considered to run a business is to determine which types of goods can be produced beneficially. To accelerate the growth of more modern technology, it must be used and modern technical and management skills needed. Market mechanism weakness unlimited freedom applies. Certain classes freedom to engage in unlimited economic activities can adversely affect the weak and minority. Per government interference is required to provide those services. Request. The mind is the desire of the consumer to purchase an item at various price levels during a given period of time. Requests have their own law which reads if the price rose, the price of goods fell, and if the price fell, the price of goods will increase. 1. Demand curve. Demand curve is a graph that describes the relationship between the price of an item and the amount of demand. 2. Shift demand curve. Assuming other things are constant, consumer purchase decisions are influenced by the price of the item. Intersecting of goods can be classified as substitution goods or other item replies. There are two classifications of items in relation to the possible effect of income on the mind. Consumer income increases will result in the mind curve shifted the right. Over. In the sense of the microeconomy can also be differentiated into individual curiosity and curious markets. 1. An individual offering of individual offerings to an item or service and the willingness of a seller to offer a variety of goodness at various rates of price. The law went as follows: the lower the price rate, the lower as the price rate. The higher the price rate, the greater the amount of goods being offered. Supply curve. The amount of goods offered will vary in the direction of change. The offer curve is a curve that shows the relationship between the price of goods and the amount of goods offered, which if the amount of something that can be offered by a certain level of price and time of year. As prices rise, crop cereal or cereal as well as the number of other products on the market increases. The number of cereals going down, the number of cereals going down. So between the price and the amount of goods offered as a positive relationship because it has the same direction change. Companies manufacture goods and services to make a profit at higher per unit prices. The company offered more. Another reason the offer curve has a positive slice. The supply curve shifts. The price change of the curable variables matches and going to result in the number of items being offered. If a change in the amount of goods offered was not caused by a price change called a change of offer. Changing market balance. The price of balance is the price in which both consumers and producers do not want to increase or reduce the amount of consumption and shell. Economic surplus. The basis of the approach use of market analysis is marginalized, which says that decisions in producing or consuming are determined by some large additional revenues or benefits from the last unit of goods produced or consumed. 1. Consumer surplus. The number of customers can pay for what has to be paid. 2. However, there is no need for a person to do so. Market failure. In a microeconomy, the term market failure does not mean that a market is no longer functioning. Indeed, a market failure in the situation in which an efficient market regulates the production or allocation of goods and services to consumers. 4 major tips cause market failure. 1. Monopoly, or in other cases of abuse of market power where a buyer or seller can have significant impact on the price or output. 2. Externality, which occurs in cases where the market is not brought into account from the economic activity inside foreigners and others. Government intervention. The role of governments, particularly in connection with market mechanism, is as follows. 1. Generally ensure and maintain that market mechanism can compete perfectly. 2. Take various steps to increase the competitiveness and purchasing power of weak market players, for example, small product and poor customers and others. Government intervention consists of 1. Price control or protect consumers or producers with a basic pricing to a maximum price. 2. Taxes and subsidies. 3. Rate and take or rotation of production. Thank you for listening to my delivery. Sorry if I used the wrong words and ended it with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.